So Jenny and I have come to understand each other as soul sisters because we appreciate what students bring to the classroom, and we demand excellence of them. And that's one of the reasons that Jenny is standing up here with me. Let me just tell you a little bit about what Jenny's students have said about her. All right, so I have some quotes from Jenny's evaluations. Now, students at the end of the semester anonymously will comment on their experience in the classroom, and we ask students not only to rate your professor, but also to make comments. And Jenny's students, every semester, she gets pages and pages of comments from her students. And so I reread those in preparation, and I just chose a few. This student says, "This was by far the only class this semester I looked forward to."
Aww.
What does that say about the rest of us, I guess? You actually got me excited to learn, and I found a love for communication. Another student said, "Excellent teacher, you helped me feel comfortable speaking in front of the class," which obviously is a major thing we try and do in Com 114. "Jenny is a wonderful teacher. I love her energy and her commitment to the class. Jenny motivated me to do my best work. She was always there to help." And this final one, Jenny, the student obviously addresses to Jenny. "Jenny, I really enjoyed your class this semester. I thought this class would be boring, but your enthusiasm for communication made it interesting. I have put the skills I learned in class to work outside of class in my relationships. Even though I was terrified of giving speeches, you created a communication climate in our class and made it very easy. Thank you." And I want to add to what her students have said about her. In addition to Jenny's outstanding classroom performance, and I have observed her with her students, and she is outstanding. She worked with me last summer to create some curriculum for our course dealing with technology, and she also worked with me to develop some materials for our students, our Center for Student Achievement sections of the course. She serves as a peer mentor to other teaching assistants when they come in, and she is always there for me to bounce ideas off of, and I am going to miss her terribly.
Way to go, John.
All right, good evening, everybody. I'm glad to see you all here, and I just want to say congratulations to everybody that has been nominated and awarded tonight. I'd like to share with you my goal as an instructor, which is to empower my students so that they can come to class and feel comfortable in their own skin, to be confident in their thoughts and ideas, and to share the capabilities that sometimes they're not even aware of. When I began teaching almost 2 years ago, I considered the professors in my life who had empowered me. As they had guided me through my discovery as a student, I found that many of them shared similar traits. First, they recognized and celebrated individuality within the classroom. They cared about what we thought and pushed us to get involved. They offered us opportunities to think for ourselves through carefully constructed assignments and engaging classroom discussions. And last, they never accepted mediocrity because they wanted us to expect more from ourselves. Now, as a teacher of Com 114, these are the standards in which I live by, and I incorporate within my classroom so that I can give my students an environment in which they themselves can be inspired. Today I stand here surrounded by so many of the people that I have been empowered by, and I cannot help to think that the recognition that I am receiving here today, which I am so grateful for and humbled by, is a direct reflection of the education and support that I have received from you. Therefore, I would like to especially thank my family who is here, and they're amazing: Chris Larkin, Kathy Gelati, Dr. Kamala Ford, Chris Mahalik, Dr. Robinson, Lisa Goodnight, who helps me find strength and feel confident and empowered as a woman, and my fellow instructors who have given me creative support and friendships that I hope will last a lifetime. Maria, And Kelly and Natalie, you are my inspiration. Never in my life could I imagine loving school. I love school, okay? I love school and I love teaching. And it has changed my life. And it has given me, above all, a chance to have an impression on our future scholars, which is really neat. So thank you so much. I appreciate it.
So we have reached the end of our evening. You've been a wonderful audience, very warm and loving and caring, and maybe you're a little warm. And you've shared